Hey guys, so I'm always happy to cover whatever coins you guys would like my opinion on. That's exactly what I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on it. And someone posted a comment and said, "What about ASM? ASM token?" So never heard of it before, so I decided to look it up in terms of the chart. Okay, so to be honest, guys, I try not to read up too much on tokens. I like to trade them based on the technical data because with that I there's less emotion involved, right? It's very important that you stick to a strategy, know or determine a certain level where you're going to take a certain amount of profits. And the more disciplined you are with that, the more successful you will always be as a trader. Okay? I can tell you from personal experience, I've experienced seeing my portfolio go up thousands and thousands of percentages and on certain coins because I really liked the coin. I was so into it. I sat there and watched it dwindle 95% after being up like, thousands of 1,500% or something like that. So that's why you got to be careful with emotion. That's why I like trading just based on the chart because I don't get emotions involved. So I haven't looked up anything else about what this token is about. All I can say is from right here, based on what I'm seeing, I would not be buying right now. It doesn't mean that it's not a good coin to buy. I just mean from a technical standpoint, I would not be buying right now. Look at what we got here. So if I was going to buy into this coin, here's where I would probably be looking for an entry. Let me get my horizontal line here. Between here and here. Somewhere in this zone is where I would expect a big bounce, right? Because right now, where are we at? 25 cents. A 50% drop would probably be very, very healthy. I think we're way overbought right now. I think this coin needs to cool off on the 4 hour time frame. Look at this. We were up at 88 on the RSI. I mean, we should get at least a 35 to 40% cool down, in my opinion. I mean, that's once again, I'm just giving you my opinion, but just based on the charts, seeing a coin do something like this, it already broke out of its all time high and it has never come down to actually retest this level that it broke out of. And that's always one of the first things that you really need to see, right? You want to see it come back down and settle above this area. If it comes back down here around this 14-cent level, anywhere between 12 and 14 cents, and it stays above it, right, for a few days, etc., gain some support, then it could be ready for a further push. But in terms of buying it right now, there's no way I would be buying this coin right now. Way too overbought. Here it is, overbought territory from all the way up here. We went higher, but we posted a lower high. That's bearish divergence. We went higher again, still a lower high than this previous high here. And at yet another high, and still, where were we? Almost at about the same level. But we showed some bearish divergence there where we've been in overbought territory now since the 29th of October. Okay, so a day, 24 hours or something. Yeah, for about 24 hours. But and this is on the 1 hour chart, so that's still considered a long time on the 1 hour chart to be in overbought territory without cooling down. 4 hour, way overbought. Daily, the coin is too young to even have any particular data right now, so that always is a concern for me. I personally trade better. I like to trade from based on data, things that I can see. Right, so that's what I'm expecting with this coin right now. I'm expecting it to cool down. If you're really into this coin and you want to trade it, I mean, you should have been taking your profits. If you get a retest, I can tell you right now, if you get a retest that if this thing comes back up anywhere near here, I personally would take more profits because I think that's more selling near the top. Look at the RSI. If the RSI is still at a lower high and we come back up near this level, time to sell. Okay, time to sell. Um, and then you can look for a buyback further down, right? If you are afraid of missing out on a higher pump, then again, sell half, right? Sell half. You still have half to write it up if you want, right? But just get in the habit, guys. It's good practice that whenever your investment at least doubles, that you sell half of your holdings. And every time it doubles after that, you sell half of your holdings. You could really be selling half an infinite amount of times. You really could. So don't let, you just got to have a trading strategy. You can't just buy something, hope, and then you're there stressed. You're just as stressed out about selling then and taking profits than you should be, right? So if you sell half on a double, you made back your investment money. So literally, you have nothing to lose. You can't lose on the trade anymore because you've recouped your investment. So have a serious think about that when you're doing your trades. All right, guys. So that's my honest opinion on ASM. Look out for it and look for that re-entry. I think that's a really good buying point there. Let's see on the 1 hour where it meets. So probably one of the first bounces that you'll get is somewhere around 18 and a half cents. Somewhere between 18 and 18 and a half cents would probably get a bounce there. It may come back up another 10-15%. But I would look for somewhere down here, somewhere between 12 and 14 cents as a re-entry position. All right. Take care, everybody.